Did you think you were gonna die? When you were sick?
Well, yeah.
Did you have a bucket list? Intriguing. Mom always thought they were stupid. Why only have adventures on the way out? Did you cross anything off?
I scrapped it when I got the all clear.
Living stopped you from living?
No, it's not like that.
Whatever.
Jess, do you ever feel left behind?
Look, if you don't like your life, then change it.
How?
Start with a list. A non-bucket list.
A non-bucket list. I can do that.
Prove it. Come on, do something daring right now.
Want to see me blag a free pizza?
Not in here, sir.
Why would they be in a janitor's closet?
I think the question is, why wouldn't they be, lad?
Rubbish. Next to the cleaning materials, this is why we need a solid environmental policy for this school.
This is serious, sir. Louise could be anywhere. Jess is the weirdest girl in school.
Overreaction.
I'm sorry, who are you?
She's a new girl.
You can call me Daisy.
Well, Daisy, careful how you go. Unless you don't want to be friends.
I'm all good, hon.
Thanks, though.
Allez, on y va.
So, where is your sister?
The caretaker shed. But they won't work there, will they?
Pizza.
Who'd be getting a pizza delivered?
Some genius. Like some pepperoni.
I think we have discovered our runaways. Onward!
Okay, let's stop this before they realize we got it. Okay, I didn't see that coming.